So initially, I was going to record a crochet tutorial on how I can crochet a skirt, but I ended up not being able to create that. So I'm going to use this tutorial to show you how I crochet in the round. Now for row 2, you want to chain up 2. So we're going to start off the double crochets from this first chain. So you just want to double crochet all the way till you reach the end, and I'll meet you back. This is going to be a very quick tutorial, by the way. All right, so this is my way of crocheting in the round. So when I started off, I crocheted in the same chain as the starting chain, right? So here, I'm gonna put my last double crochet, which is right here. So I'm gonna chain 2, and instead of crocheting here in the first chain, I'm going to crochet here. So this is the chain from the hook. So I'm going to chain into the first chain from the hook. So I'm going to do a double crochet from the first chain from the hook. Row 2, chain 2, and in the first chain from the hook, you want to start your double crochets, and I'll meet you back at the last one. Reaching the last few double crochets, so I have, so you just want to go ahead, finish off your row, right? And instead of stopping here, I'm going to add my last double crochet into the starting chain. And that is how I'm going to be able to keep the skirt from having that seam that tends to like go diagonal. It's gonna stay straight by doing this. Then you wanna slip stitch, chain 2, and now in this same chain, you want to do your double crochet. So row 3, you're gonna start off with the first double crochet being in the starting chain. So and you want to put a double crochet, and then you're gonna double crochet all the way across. Okay, so this is row 4 now, and we're gonna repeat the sequence of starting from the first chain for this row. So not in the same chain, but the next chain, which is considered the first chain from the hook, because this is the hook and this is the chain, right? So not in this chain, but this one. At the end of row 4, and instead of ending it here, which technically is the last double crochet, I'm going to finish off with the last double crochet into the starting chain. You see? So it ends up looking like that. And then when you slip stitch it, it looks like this. Starting off row 5, I'm chaining 2, and I'm inserting the double crochet inside that same starting chain. and then double crocheting all